Hi, hello. Good wishes to everyone. Happy returns to our class. See, I'm here to teach you that in this session about phrase. Yes, phrase. And we are going to see about and its types. Yes, so phrase and its types, right? So before that, what is phrase? Have you heard that? Have you heard before that word? Yes. See, already have learnt about phrase. What is phrase? See, phrase or nothing but that is group of words. Yes, with no verb plus subject combination. Yes, so without that combination of subject and verb, it always presents. That is, it always perform, right? See, that is the phrase. See, phrase always that is that is performed without the subject and verb. Yes, while comparing to classes. Yes, so classes contains all the thing that is subject, verb and all other patterns. But while talking about the phrase, it never contain those patterns, that is subject plus verb combination, right? So let's see deeply here. See, group of words with no subject verb combination, that is the phrase. Next, see, one other point is there. See, no meaning if used alone. See, in a sentence, yes, in a simple sentence, if the phrase present means, if the phrase perform mean, there will be no meaning. Yes, if it is used alone, yes, while talking about in a sentence means, it contains a unique meaning. Yes, see the difference, students. See, if it is used alone, that is not in a sentence, used alone, that is separately means it won't contain any meaning. It is the improper one, that is incomplete sense, right? But it is in a, it performed in a sentence mean, it contains unique meaning, that to a special meaning. Yes, that's not in a common meaning, it always contains a unique meaning. Yes, so that is the difference. Yes, while coming to the sentence and not in a sentence, right? See, there are 5 types in phrase, right? See, there are 5 types in phrase. See, what are the types? Noun phrase, verb phrase, adverb phrase, adjective phrase, preposition phrase. Yes, what are the types? See, I am repeating to recall you. Noun phrase, verb phrase, adverb phrase, adjective phrase, preposition phrase. So there are how many types? We are having 5 types in phrase. Yes, let's see one by one. See, first in this session we are going to see, that is we are going to learn about only noun phrase. Yes, see, noun phrase. And see, I have given an example for phrase. Yes, we should find out the phrase in a sentence. See, I have given one sentence. See here, I built a beautiful home, right? I built a beautiful home. Here, what is the phrase here? See, what is the phrase in this sentence? See here, yeah, beautiful home. Yes, you just imagine only these words are here. You just hide this. See, is it the complete sense? Is it the complete meaning? Yes. See, it is a proper sentence? No, absolutely not. See, it is an improper sentence. It is not giving a complete sense for an entire sentence. Yes. See, after applying this word, that is, I built. Yes, I built a beautiful home. Now only it is getting a complete sense for an entire sentence. Yes. So it gives a perfect sentence. Yes. So always the phrase won't give a complete sense for an entire sentence. Yes, it is always without the combination of subject and verb. Yes, it won't contain those two, that is subject and verb. Yes, so that is the rule of the phrase. Yes, let's see about noun phrase. Thus, that is the first type of phrase. Noun phrase. What is noun phrase? What is noun first? Noun is nothing but naming word. So already you know that name of a person, place or a thing. Yes. So noun phrase. So phrase that is without the combination of subject and verb. It won't contain those two patterns, right? So noun combinedly we are going to see, that is noun phrase. So noun phrase means it always acts like a noun. Yes. So without noun it won't act. That is while talking about the noun phrase. Yes. So acts like a noun in a sentence. So while talking about the sentence, noun phrase will acts like a noun in a sentence, right? So let's see one example. A woman in the window shouted for help. Yes, a woman in the window shouted for help. In this sentence, which is a noun phrase, see, look at the sentence, students, and read it carefully. A woman in the window shouted for help. See here, a woman is the name of a person. That is in the window. Window is the name of a thing, right? Next, shouted for help. This is the actions. Yes, we should not take that because it won't accept what? That is verb and subject. Yes, so shouted is a verb. Yes, we should not take that word. So remaining things, that is a woman in the window. So this is the noun phrase. Yes, in this sentence, a woman in the window is a noun phrase, right? And look at the next sentence. See, while looking here, he bought a costly black shirt. Yes, he bought a costly black shirt. Here, which is the noun phrase? Just look at and read it carefully, and after that you just find it. Yes, see, he bought a costly black shirt. Here, a costly black shirt. A costly black shirt is the noun phrase. Yes. See, just remove these words, and after that you just read it. A costly black shirt. It's a simple content. Only the content is there without the subject and verb. Here, he bought. He is a subject. Bought is a verb. Yes. So we should avoid these things because phrase will not accept subject and verb. Yes, it always performs without the combination of subject and verb. Yes, keep it in your mind always. Remember, students. Yes, you just remember always while talking about the phrase. Yes, so this is must. It won't accept, it never accept that combination of subject and verb in a sentence. Yes, but if it is acting alone means it won't contain meaning. Yes, it is an incomplete sense. Yes, but in the sentence, if the phrase is performing mean, yes, but it contains a unique meaning. That also a not proper meaning, complete sense, but unique meaning of that is unique phrase. Yes, for that phrase word alone it contains meaning. Yes, unique meaning, right? So this is the difference. This is a rule. Yes, for applying, for satisfying phrase, right? So this is the phrase and it's one of the type we just learned in this session. The remaining types we'll see in the future coming videos. Yes, that's it, students. I hope you all understand. Thank you.